At Nissan, we're working hard to make the world safer, cleaner, and more inclusive. Our long track record of pioneering EV innovation continues.
We really believe in electrification and we will bet on electrification. We aim to have 98% of our vehicles that will be electrified by 2030. But innovation, it's for a purpose, and that's what we call zero fatality. So we want to have cars that will be enhanced in terms of technology to provide security to our customer. What is the ecosystem? It's not only the car, but it's also the connectivity, the service, the battery, the recycling. So it's everything that the customer will need, will use during all the life cycle that he will be within the Nissan ecosystem.
By integrating vehicles into the energy supply, Nissan is creating a smarter and better energy infrastructure, which leads to a better environment. Vehicle-to-grid EV energy storage is turning vehicles into mobile energy plants, which makes the most out of the energy we extract.
Electric vehicles capable to discharge their energy into the grid can be used to help to balance this grid at a time of peaks. It will as well optimize the integration of renewable energy sources into that grid. Surplus of energy from Nissan batteries is exported back to the grid to power homes. This is great for our customers who can better optimize their energy consumption and therefore the energy bill.
This means we can reduce the need for fossil fuels and fill the gaps in sustainable energy production. At Nissan, we're making these promises real with partnerships like EDF Drive.
Drive, c'est une société qui travaille exclusivement sur les technologies de smart charging, c'est-à-dire les techniques pour charger les véhicules électriques de la meilleure manière. Le partenariat entre EDF et Nissan est technologique pour définir, concevoir, déployer des solutions technologiques qui permettent de rendre ces services, et bien sûr aussi commercial pour pouvoir loger cette technologie dans des offres pour les clients. En Europe, comme dans le reste du monde, il va y avoir des besoins croissants de stockage et de flexibilité. La flexibilité, ça veut dire adapter la demande en électricité, utiliser l'électricité du réseau au meilleur moment, quand les conditions économiques sont les meilleures et quand les émissions de carbone sont les plus faibles. En effet, il va y avoir de plus en plus d'énergie d'origine renouvelable sur le réseau et on va devoir stocker cette énergie si on veut pouvoir continuer à déployer des moyens renouvelables. C'est vraiment une condition sine qua non de la transition énergétique. La technologie V2X, ça consiste à pouvoir utiliser le véhicule électrique comme un moyen de stockage à certains moments. Par exemple, quand il y a du vent et du soleil, on va charger peut-être plus que de besoin le véhicule électrique pour le décharger au profit du système électrique quand vous rentrez chez vous le soir à 19h et qu'il y a un pic de consommation. Effectivement, grâce au V2X, le véhicule électrique devient une solution de stockage et devient donc une énorme opportunité pour stocker l'énergie à large échelle dans le système européen. Le plus nous déployons cette technologie V2X, le plus nous serons en capacité à déployer des moyens de production d'origine renouvelable. Aujourd'hui, sur le véhicule to grid, nous terminons une première phase de déploiement en Europe, principalement en France. Nous avons déployé un peu plus de 300 points de charge V2G et nous travaillons maintenant sur les futures générations de produits pour adresser plus largement le marché, que ce soit celui des entreprises ou demain celui des particuliers. C'est pour ça qu'avec Nissan, nous travaillons de concert depuis plusieurs années pour révéler le potentiel de cette technologie et pour supporter la transition énergétique.
Nissan EV360 is creating the world's first EV manufacturing ecosystem, centered around our plant in Sunderland, in the UK. Nissan EV360 will support the company mission toward carbon neutrality and establish a new 360-degree solution for zero-emission motoring. Comprised of 3 interconnected initiatives, Nissan EV360 brings together electric vehicle, renewable energy and battery production, setting a blueprint for the future of the automotive industry.
When a battery reaches the end of its life, we give it a new one.
In the long term, electric cars have more opportunities to be used to their full potential than traditional combustion engine vehicles. Think about the battery that can be used for a second life. That's not the case for a normal combustion engine. Even the components of the battery themselves can be reused. So at the end of an EV life, we collect the battery and we test them. Some are in good condition and can be used in an electric car. Others are repurposed for industrial usage, energy storage systems for example, or incorporated into home energy systems connected to solar panels. Reusing these batteries extend their life and reduce the overall carbon footprint. The ones in poor condition are recycled to recover the raw material to build new batteries.
These batteries get used again in our energy system storage projects, like taking the incredible Johan Cruyff's Arena to another level.
Switch on in June 2018, the energy storage system combined the equivalent of 150 Nissan Leaf batteries, 4,000 solar panels, and Eaton power conversion units. It also creates a circular economy for electric vehicle batteries. Johan Cruyff Arena is now one of the largest energy storage systems using Second Life and new EV batteries in a commercial building in the world.
And Second Life energy storage projects. Partnerships with B-Planet.
B-Planet was founded in 2018 with the target of giving a second life to electric vehicles batteries. Today is the day that we avoid 70% of CO2 emissions by reusing these Nissan Leaf batteries. As far as from the first day, we did consider that Nissan, as one of the key players in mobility, should be one of our preferred suppliers. We have solutions for fast charging infrastructure, for commercial and industrial self-consumption, and we are entering into the hybridization of big solar plants. For us, it's a pleasure to count with partners as Nissan.
Giving power to the people who need it the most.
In South Africa, Nissan is working with Philadelphia School to improve their access to stable electricity and increase the use of renewable energy. Capacity and connection issues mean the school experiences regular and frequent unexpected blackouts. Using a combination of Second Life Nissan Leaf batteries and solar panels, the school now has a sustainable energy system that reduces the impact of electricity shortage on the school. Since 2018, some airports are using electrical ground power units, eGPU, which are mobile battery packs that allows aircraft to stay connected to an energy source. The eGPU can be charged during quiet periods and contributes to increasing total capacity in peak periods in a clean way.
Since we started producing EVs, their batteries have been recyclable.
The batteries within the vehicles include valuable materials. That's why it's important that when they reach the end of life, that they are recycled so that we can release these materials and they can be reused either in battery material or in alternative applications. It's important to recycle the batteries to maximise environmental benefit and to minimise waste. The batteries within the electric vehicles contain valuable materials such as metals, connectors and also modules. The modules within the battery include a material known as black mass. Black mass includes valuable materials such as nickel and cobalt. During the recycling process, these can be extracted and can be utilised again for new battery applications or for alternative applications.
There are still so many opportunities to improve the life cycle of a battery and its components. We're working hard to identify the best and cleanest solutions to maximise their use while reducing their impact, for a safer, cleaner, and more inclusive future.